how to add money in Zebpay wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can add money into your Zebpay wallet. So in order to do this procedure, first of all, you have to log in into your Zebpay account and click on the portfolio icon located in the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. After you've done that, you'll be able to see two different options, that is deposit and withdraw. So go ahead and select deposit, and you need to select from which bank account you wish to withdraw, and after that you need to scroll down and just go ahead and tap on got it. Now you'll need to open up the bank account from where you actually want to deposit the amount. So click on send button located right at the bottom. After you're done, log in into your online banking account. Once you're done selecting the information, go ahead and enter in the account number. Once again, you have to enter in the account number for the confirmation, and then the code and all sort of details, and click on the proceed button. Next page, you need to confirm all of the details. If you're sure about it, then click on the proceed button located right at the bottom. Once you've done that, you've successfully deposited money into your Zebpay wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.